So friends, I am in Seattle right now. I am enjoying rain in Seattle. It's raining heavily in Seattle. I took shelter here. I took a shelter here, and here people are enjoying the rain, and there are children are playing and enjoying. Rain is a dampener here, but I'm still utilizing my opportunity of recording and sharing my moments, especially with the children here. So I'll see, you can see children how playful are, they're enjoying their great moments, and you can see the road. So it's I'm capturing great moments. Two women, they're dog walking, they're enjoying great moments. So friends, I request you to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and it's a great day and fun day. It's usually I'm in the today is Friday, so I'm enjoying the great moments here. So I request you to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and thank you for subscribing to your connections with gratitude.